Hey guys, I hope you are all doing well and staying safe and sound. So in the previous video, we discussed some passive income ways of accumulating real money. The remaining passive income ideas will be discussed in this video. Let's begin. Side hustles with a semi-passive approach. 1. Do Instacart deliveries. Instacart is a terrific option if you're searching for a flexible approach to earn some additional cash. Instacart is a supermarket delivery service that collaborates with local merchants to deliver food to your door. As an Instacart employee, you would go food shopping and then deliver the groceries to the customer's door. The demand for Instacart shoppers is at an all-time high right now. As a shopper, you'll get paid weekly, have the freedom to work your own hours, be eligible for special earning promotions, and maybe earn tips. Instacart has also recently added a number of new features, such as contactless delivery and issue reporting on the app. 2. Postmates delivery. Customers can purchase practically everything from personal products to groceries to restaurant meals through Postmates, products and food delivery service. Sign up to deliver for Postmates is completely free, and every time a delivery is completed, delivery drivers receive 100% of their earnings. Postmates delivery drivers appreciate the freedom and flexibility to work whenever they choose. Postmates pay weekly and has a very easy onboarding procedure. 3. Renting your house. If you want to make money in real estate but don't want to get your hands dirty, renting out your vacation home/house or apartment or even a single room might be a great way to earn money passively. Airbnb. People have traveled all over the world with Airbnb and stay in accommodations that are significantly less expensive than typical hotels. Rentals are divided into three categories on their website: individual room, shared room, and an entire home. Airbnb costs 3% of each booking. However, you can adjust the nightly rate to whatever you choose. Airbnb is generating amazing passive profits for people all around the world. Verbo. Verbo has established itself as a credible service for renters and owners alike. With over 2 million rental properties, the majority of which are complete home rentals, Verbo charges a 5% booking fee, with an additional 3% if the guest pays with a credit card. But once again, you can set your own rate and easily justify these charges. Vacasa. Vacasa is a corporation that manages vacation home rentals. In other words, you won't be able to rent out a spare room in your home on Vacasa like you do on Airbnb, but you'll be able to rent out a vacation home. Then Vacasa is a terrific way to earn a passive income because they handle everything for you. Word of advice: customer reviews are crucial to your rental success. More customers will rent your space and you'll make more money if you get more 4 and 5-star reviews. 4. Lend a car. It used to be considered unusual to rent out a spare room to a stranger or to stay at a stranger's home while on vacation. These sharing economy services such as Airbnb and others have shown us that it is not so terrifying. So how do you feel about renting out your vehicle? Consider that for a moment. Rental car companies are inconvenient to work with and overpriced. Turo is a firm that has revolutionized the sector in the same way that Airbnb has affected the hotel sector. People all throughout the country make money by loaning their cars to strangers. Simply join Turo's free platform, sell your car, and charge whatever you want for the day if you aren't using it for a few days or have a spare one. 5. Get paid for your opinion. Did you realize that doing internet surveys can earn you money? You may make money simply by surfing the web from the comfort of your own home. There are a lot of wonderful survey sites out there, and some of them even give you a bonus just for joining. 6. Network marketing. Independent contractors buy into a firm through network marketing. The things they sell then earn them a commission. Many people are driven to network marketing because it allows them to work for themselves, set their own hours, and have a flexible schedule. There are a plethora of network marketing businesses to choose from. Mary Kay, doTERRA, Pampered Chef, and Rodan and Fields are just a few examples of well-known brands. Network marketing can be used in a variety of ways to generate income. You can make money by referring others to the company's products, using them yourself, and recruiting others. 7. Take on the role of a rideshare driver. Rideshare driving makes the list because of its flexibility. However, it isn't fully passive. With Uber, you can choose your own hours and earn additional money while out and about. I'm assuming you've heard of Lyft, Uber's ride-hailing rival. Lyft is substantially cheaper, and we have had better experiences with the drivers. 8. Use your car to promote your business. Carvertise. Just by using your automobile as ad space, you may make up to $1,200 during an ad campaign with Carvertise, and you can normally expect around $100 a month. Check their website to see whether they're advertising in your area right now. Rapify. Rapify is similar to Carvertise in terms of functionality, but it differs in terms of how you get compensated. Rapify allows you to keep track of your miles and location. The more you drive, the more commercials you'll be eligible for, and the more money you'll make, which may total up to $200 each month. Vugo. Along with rideshare driving, Vugo is a fantastic way to earn money passively. All you have to do is attach a phone or tablet to your dashboard and start watching commercials, games, or videos. Google Maps and Waze are both supported by the app. Drivers can make up to $200 more a month by playing the adverts, and there is also a built-in tipping mechanism. 9. Sleep studies can pay you to sleep. We're not joking when we say this. You get the greatest passive money of all if you're in good health, get plenty of Z's, and live in the area where a sleep study is being undertaken. If you meet the requirements, you might earn thousands of dollars in only one research. Once you've been accepted, you'll almost certainly have to go through a medical exam as well as a psychological examination to guarantee you're up to the task. Did we mention that you'll get compensated along the way? However, keep in mind that these studies come with their own set of difficulties, such as cutting you off from media and your social life, as well as requiring you to be monitored and examined for the duration of the trial. You may also be required to sleep for a lengthy period of time in potentially unpleasant positions. However, the money is really good. Search clinicaltrails.gov for sleep studies and other medical and psychological studies and filter results based on your region, age, and other characteristics. 10. Car detailing service. Car detailing companies make money by providing services that are compensated on a per-job basis. You don't need to go to school to learn how to detail a car, but you do need to know how to do it correctly. Then you'll need to buy the necessary tools such as pressure washer, buffer, clothes, buckets, sponges, and so on. It's time to start building your customer base when you've bought all of the necessary equipment. When you're first started, go out to local businesses such as Hotel Concierge to see if there are any prospects to collaborate. 11. eBay flipping. Then you must conduct research on the things you wish to sell. You don't want to buy products to flip without knowing anything about them, just like you don't want to buy anything blindly. Market price, profit margin, and shipping/packaging are some of the things you'll need to look into. You can locate stuff to sell on Craigslist free section, at your local Goodwill, or on eBay. Then using the formula above, buy the item at a cheap price, list it and sell it for a higher price, and continue the process. 12. Amazon dropshipping. According to Merriam-Webster, dropshipping is described as shipping items directly from a manufacturer or a wholesaler to a client rather than to retailer who took the order. To make money dropshipping on Amazon, you must engage directly with a wholesaler to get the discount on the merchandise. The difference between the item's initial cost and whatever amount you sell it for is then your profit. Within 24 hours, you may have your Amazon store up and running and ready to accept orders. When it comes to deciding which things to drop ship, research is crucial, just as it is when it comes to eBay flipping. 13. Debt refinancing or debt reduction. Reduce your debt, which is a less visible approach to boost your net worth. Debt from a mortgage, because interest rates are reaching historic lows, now is an excellent time to refinancing your mortgage. If you can save 0.50% or more on your loan, you may be putting thousands of dollars back in your pocket. There aren't many investments that can compete with that. Debt from student loans? What if you don't have a mortgage? There's a strong chance you have student loans, so check to see if you qualify for a refinance. It might save you thousands in the long run. When it comes to paying off debt, the math is simple. If your loan is currently at 7% and you refinance at 3%, you'll get a 4% return on your investment. Debt on a credit card. As customers feel squeezed at the end of the month, credit card debt is quietly creeping up in the United States. If you have credit card debt, we strongly advise you to devise a plan to pay it off as quickly as possible. 14. Take advantage of online rebates. You can obtain a rebate from Rakuten when you shop at a surprising number of online stores. The following is how it works. Sign up for a Rakuten account. To activate a Rakuten browser extension, follow the on-screen instructions. Shop online as you normally would. Cashback percentage ranges from 1% to 22%. Each month, you'll receive a check, PayPal payment, or gift card to your favorite retailer. You can make a significant amount of money if you buy a big ticket item like a refrigerator or a smartphone online, or if you do your grocery shopping online. That concludes today's video. So that's it for today's video. Please watch our playlist on dropshipping and cryptocurrency if you haven't watched yet, where I explain everything about it. Friends, do not forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon and click notification, all for more amazing videos. And do leave a comment in the comment section below. I'll be back with some more mind-blowing contents in the next video. Till then, bye.